Welcome to this workshop on NPTEL, the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Through this set of videos, we would like to give you a brief introduction to what the NPTEL project is about, what we offer as courses there, how do you get certificates from NPTEL, from the various IITs, IIScs and other institutes that offer courses through NPTEL, and all the other allied initiatives of NPTEL, which are like the internships, the faculty development program, local chapters, the soft skill training, etc. So we'll walk you through each of these one by one going forward in the videos that come. So about NPTEL, NPTEL is one of the longest running successful multi-institutional education projects. So it was started in the year 2003 and we complete 20 years of the NPTEL project this year in 2023. NPTEL is also one of the largest repositories of engineering content in the world. The vision of NPTEL is to provide high quality, affordable education at scale. So this is more a project where we are giving access to the content that is taught within the premier institutes such as the IITs, IISc and other institutes such as say CMI, IMSc, ICERS, the IIITs, etc. to anybody who is motivated and wishes to study this particular content. It is completely free. The access to all the content is available on our website nptel.ac.in, and here are some numbers just to say how popular and widely used NPTEL is. The NPTEL videos are all available on YouTube, our channel NPTEL HRD. We have more than 60,000 hours of video content, which is primarily engineering, humanities and management content on NPTEL. The viewership for this has crossed about 1.6 billion views so far. And we have more than about 3,000 courses in our repository, and the YouTube subscriber base is more than 4.5 millions. You should just remember, this is not any entertainment content we are giving out, but this is like very rigorous, high quality engineering, management and content from the sciences division that we are putting out on our channels and the NPTEL repository. So like I said, it can be accessed from anywhere for free. There is no charge, no payment required to access any of the content that is available on the NPTEL website. Anybody can view this content from anywhere around the world at any time. So basically it's like an online reference library, you can think of it like that, where we have more than 3,000 subject books available in the form of video lectures. No login is also required. We don't capture your login details unless absolutely essential, so you can actually do a free browsing of the entire content that we have on our website. There are search facilities where you can search for specific courses by institute, by discipline, etc. So what does a course typically contain on NPTEL? We'll also look into another aspect of it, which is the certification courses. But on the website, each course primarily will have, of course, the syllabus of the course, whatever is being taught in that course. Then there will be video lectures that are part of that will be the primary content of the course. The text transcripts, every video is transcribed and subtitled. So these are also available as notes in PDF format for you to download and read. So there are text transcripts that are available. There are notes that are given, whatever the faculty has used, maybe during the recording of the course or as additional reading material. Notes are provided to the learners. In most courses, wherever applicable, sample assignments along with solutions have also been archived. So you can also check after completing a week's content whether you are able to handle the assignment and whether you are able to answer the questions given there. Many of the courses are now being translated into regional Indian languages. So the transcripts are also available and translated into other languages such as Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and so on. So the effort is ongoing. Wherever it is available, it is also available inside the course on the portal. The transcripts are available, and the statistics for courses that we run for certification are also available under each course as a tab called statistics, where you can see how many times we ran the course, how many people enrolled, how many people got certified, who are the toppers in this course and so on. So this is the content we have primarily on the NPTEL website.